All right, so what I'm going to show you here is a couple of different bunker shots. One of them is a splash out with some spin. The other one's a chunk and run. So I've got my 60-degree wedge right here. Going to give it a nice lie because all I'm going to do is flip it up in the air. Maybe go for this pin right here on the right. So in this bunker shot, you want to open up the face as wide as you can. Lower your hands down low, right? Dig your feet in here. And really soft hands, you're going to leverage the club up and just kind of splash it up underneath. So that one will come out with a lot more spin. So again, take the face, open it up, drop the hands down real low, lift it up, drop it underneath, right? The next one is a chunk and run. This one's completely different. So I'm going to take my 56 degree for this one, and I'm actually going to play a little bit more of a square club face and not hinge my wrist as much. So if I drop the club right in here behind, chunk it, and as it flies out, it'll release and roll. So what you'll see that's different is in the chunk and run, there's very little wrist break, and the hands just go straight back and straight forward like this. There to there, right? Drop it down, it hits and runs. So if you're going to create a lot of spin, you need a lot more hinge and a lot more speed. If you're going to create that running shot, simply keep your wrists a little bit straighter, chunk it out there, let it run all the way to the hole.